No, lift it up high, Bob. Don't wobble it, just lift it up. Come here, I'll help you. That's it, stop reeling, stop reeling. That's it, just let it bounce. Just let it bounce on the rod. Hold the rod properly. Oh, you got that one with a float. He's got that one with a float round it. Shall I get it in, Bob?
No, this one's heavy.
Right, alright, stop reeling. Right, reel down, reel.
Down.
Right, now lift it. Ooh.